time for a little travel update from the closet. As you know, I pack in 3 stages. Number 1, vitamins and supplements. Did those last night because they are the least fun. Number 2, toiletries, hair essentials, things like that. Then number 3, we finally get to the fashion. I am in stage 2 right now. I've just wrapped it up. Let me flip a hint in here as to where we're headed. So here are my toiletries. This is the makeup. This is all I need for my hair. My little laundry bag. I'll get into this later this week. And then here, adapters. In my little travel closet, I keep baggies and then I mark them so that when we travel, it's easy to grab them. So one baggie will say Asia. Another one will say Europe. I specifically have a baggie that says Hong Kong because the plugs are even different there. So it makes it just easy to grab them. So I'm not, spending the time going, is this plug South Africa? Is this plug London? Is this, because it's crazy how many different plugs there are and how many times we'll have to hop on Amazon at the last minute because we're like, oh, I know we have those, but which ones are they? So I started a long time ago doing these little baggies. And so I have them in a bin. This is more than you wanted to know. Let me know if at some point, maybe when we're back, if you'd like to see what my little travel closet looks like. I keep things in bins, makes it a lot easier to pack. That's why nothing matches this trip. So I do have sets that match, but this trip, 15 days is a long time. So I went with the ones that worked size-wise for the amount of items I needed for the 15 days. So if you're wondering why it's not as aesthetic as it is on other trips, my 1-week trips are very aesthetic, but anything over 10 days, all bets are off. Time for step 3, which is the fashion. It's 15 days of clothing. I'm going to have a lot of repeats here, but it's more than you normally see me pack because, well, it's 15 days. Let me tell you what this dress right here, I found at TJ Maxx a few weeks ago. I fell in love with it. I don't know if it's still available. Let me check and see. But do you see the different colors on it? I decided if the color appeared in this dress that it could go with me. So here's what I've done. Here are the dresses I'm taking for the day. I've got 4 day dresses, easy to wear. It's the 30-second outfit. Love, love, love dresses. Then for dinner, I've got a couple of others. This is the most casual. This one's a little crazyville. Can I show you that guy? And then this guy here was from that fancy Target collection a couple of years ago. And I just love it. With those guys, I'm going to wear the pink wedges. I've got some white tennis shoes for the day and my flip-flops. So that's kind of it on the shoes. And let's talk about daytime. I have several shirts. Again, if it appears in this little dress over here, I can take the colorway. I have a couple of shirts, a sweatshirt in case it's cold, white pants because it goes with everything, a white skirt, same reasoning, and then these little guys because, well, quite honestly, Scooter loves Lily Pulitzer. That's a weird fun fact about Scooter. Anything Lily Pulitzer, he insisted I buy these years ago in Hawaii, and they just happen to go with all of this. So I thought that might work out. Okay, now let's run over here. Little pair of shoes here. Here are my casual outfits. You saw me wear this every morning over in Singapore. And then this is the one that Kid 2 bought me, the aesthetic clean girl, whatever that's called. I thought I would take it. So those will be what I'm wearing, more lounging or just trying to relax. Okay, that's where I'm at. How'd I do?